pasta. This is vegetable baby pasta. This is pasta, cooked noodles, beans, capsicum, chopped carrot, chopped carrot, chopped Knol Kohl. This is crumbs. This is capsicum and tomato for garnishing. And this is chopped onion, pepper, ginger and garlic. Chopped tomato, salt, cornflour, milk and butter. I'm frying the onions. With garlic and ginger. Wait till it's a little brown color, and after that only I add the chopped vegetables. It's getting brown and I'm adding all the vegetables. I'm adding a little salt. A little pepper. And some tomato. You have to cook it for about 3 minutes. Now this is cooked and I am adding the boiled noodles. And the pasta. Now I have added everything, all the ingredients. You can taste and see how it suits you, and then you can add whatever you want, salt or sauce or whatever you want. And now I am going to make the shortcut for white sauce, right? You make a hole like this and add the cornflour, right? This is a shortcut for the white sauce. If you want, you can make the white sauce separately and add. But this is the shortcut and it is easy. And that's again you will be doing the salt this again. And like that. pour the milk. Little by little. Now I have added the milk and now it's like white sauce, you can see. And now you put half of this, you add half of the cheese. With that, and you leave the other half. You put over the grease dish to add to make the pasta, to bake it. So I'll add all this. It has to be a little moist because otherwise it gets dry when you bake it. Now I have filled up the thing, this dish. Sprinkling a little cheese over it like. Garnish, just to make it colorful, I add the piece of tomato. Now I'm sprinkling a little breadcrumbs over it. Dot it with a little butter. Now I have to bake it till it's brown and the temperature could be 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I have just taken out the baked pasta from the oven. And it's hot now at the moment. You wait a little and then it will set nicely, and then you can cut it and eat it. It's very nice, very tasty.